Do not go to the airport yet. If you have a layover at Narita or it's just your last day in Tokyo, you're making a big mistake if you are just sitting at the gate. Because just 15 minutes away is this Shisui Premium Outlets. That is why in this video, we're burning our leftover yen on luxury brands, hunting for the biggest discounts in Japan, and seeing if this is actually worth the detour. My mom went to Guest. She loves Guest. Everything here, it's only 15,000 yen. So we found two, one Jordan and one Nike running. Things for me. So thank you, mother. We had two. You gotta come visit Shisui outlet stores, premium outlet stores, because they got bunch of very good deal here. A really nice deal. I'm telling you, both of these shoes only less than $100. We are back at Narita station and I'm craving for some ice cream. There's a takoyaki place here near the station, the bus station, and they sell ice cream, matcha ice cream. So I bought one. Only 250 yen for a matcha ice cream. Thank you so much, man. Arigatou gozaimasu. Alright, so matcha. And of course, we cannot finish this video without showing you any food. And this is one of the best thing about Japan. The food. Yummy! Arigatou gozaimasu. So everything's here. Let's first taste the soup. Soup is really good here. If you are wondering what's the correct name for the restaurant, it is Gyoza King. And my mom told me it's a Japanese / Chinese fusion, and she said it's really famous in Japan. And I 100% going to recommend it to you because this is already my 4th time visiting the place, and I love every visit. So we are back home, and that's it for this vlog, and I hope that you will like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on that notification bell so that you can go with me next time. Thank you. Bye. So cold. Good night, guys.